Now we will come to the pharmaceutical distribution. So, after a high cost service levels of the pharmacies in terms of frequency of delivery, product availability, delivery accuracy, timelessness and reliability, pharmaceutical distribution services provides services to the pharmaceutical manufacturer seeking to gain greater control over the product distribution while at the same time outsourcing non-core activities. So, the pharmaceutical distribution offers its customer innovative added value services which help the pharmacists develop their own business. Government are implementing measures to encourage greater use of generic medicines. An increasing number of branded pharmaceutical manufacturers are further increasing in the market with efficiency and control by switching from selling via multiple pharmaceutical wholesalers to either selling direct to the pharmacies or selling a select reduced number of the national wholesaler. Counterfeit pharmaceutical products are the threat to the public health and safety. They are illegally imported, stolen, substandard medicine enter to the supply chain. It is a concern for both developing and developed country and thrive and resulted in the development of thriving secondary and grey market throughout the world. Modern technology in the pharmaceutical distribution are as follows: pallet handling, sortation system, barcode and RFID systems, automated bridge trains, power and free system, automated transfer car, WMS integration. So, pharmaceutical distribution plays a heavy burden on the operational logistical resource of the company. Specific regulation and industrial requirement, forecasting, procurement, customer service, picking, dispatch, and special treatment of physical inventory can all place a burden on the logistical decision. So the sixth trend that will change the fundamental of pharmaceutical distribution are that they will fundamentally change the way pharmaceutical company makes and distribute the products. So first is the health reform shift emphasis from the product features to the patient outcomes. Second is the new product type, biologicals, bioengineered vaccines, advancements. Incremental product launches alters the sales curve. New mode of healthcare delivery, greater use of electronic health records, that is e-prescribing, mobile health application and remote monitoring. Growing importance of emerging markets. Greater public scrutiny. So these are the various six trends that will change the fundamentals of pharmaceutical distribution. So I hope you have find this video and understand quite for the distribution. Thank you.